Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is my handy SPIEEK stepladder. What makes this so convenient is how easy it is to put down and put away. I love that all I have to do is fold it down and it's already secured in place. It has nice grippy feet so it doesn't slide around. The steps are wide so it's very easy to climb. And then it has these handrails. So I think this is amazing for anybody with poor balance, especially as you're aging, you need that extra stability. So this will give you that peace of mind to know that you're nice and secure. It also comes with a handy tool bag that slips right on the top. So instead of having to balance everything with your hands while you're trying to climb a ladder, you can have everything nicely tucked in here to use as you need. We find ourselves pulling this out all the time for all kinds of things. So in the kitchen when we need to reach a high place, if we're doing home renovations, changing a light bulb, painting, all of that sort of thing, this is incredibly handy to have in your house. And then when it's time to store it away, it folds up flat. You can tuck it away in a closet until you need it next time. So I definitely recommend it. It is rated for 330 pounds. I find it very secure and stable. I feel safe when I'm on it, so I'm sure you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.